Coming up next is Be Kanye, and he'll be singing I Was Here by Beyonce.
Leave my footprints at the sand of time. Know that there's something that I left behind. When I leave this world, I live with no regrets, with something to remember that they don't forget. I was here, I lived, I loved, I was here, I did, I've done everything that I wanted. It was more than I thought it would be. I will leave my mark so everyone can know I was here. I wanna say I live and stay until I die. I know that I have something in somebody's life. The roots I have touched will be the proof that I live, that I made a difference, and this world will see I was here. I live, I love, I was here. I did, I've done everything that I wanted. It was more than I thought it would be. I will leave my mark so everyone can know I was here. I live, I love.
You did it very well with your own voice, not like, I was here, not like the way people do. When it's a lady singing a man's song, they try to sing like a man. I thought you were going to sing like a lady because it's a lady's song, but you did justice to the song. Well done.